Hi there. So in this video we are going to take a look at arrays in C#. So first thing, create one C# console project in Visual Studio. Then you have empty solutions such as this. Now inside static void main, I want you to create your first array. So let's say I want to create array of string values. So I'm going to type keyword strings, then square bracket, and then let's say my array name color. Now after that you use equals to sign, then within curly bracket you're going to add some string values. So let's say yellow is my first color, then blue, then black, then green. Okay, you can also create array of integer values. So let's say int, then square bracket, then num equals to, within curly bracket we can type in, let's say 1, 4, 7, 12. Okay, so these are your array values for integer array. Then you can also use float values with double array. So let's say val, and here I can use float value, let's say 12.2, then 3.4, then 4.9, and then 5.1. As you can see, you can also access each value one by one using for each loop. So let's say I use for each keyword, and let's say I'm starting from string and then color in color. Okay, and then I use console dot write line for accessing value of color one by one. Okay, now I'm going to use console dot read to pause the output. So let's find out our first string values through color array. Okay, so let's start the compiling process. And as you can see, it is printing out all these values from my string array one by one. Similarly, I can also do the same for integer. So let's go ahead, type in integer numbers in num, and then outputting those nums, let's see, and it gives you value 1, 4, 7 and 12 from your integer array. Let's also take a look at our double values. So let's say double nums in val. Okay, now let's compile again and find out, and you get your floating values through doubles array. Okay, so as you can see, creating arrays for string, integer and double values is very easy. You can also use for each loop to print the elements from those arrays. So this was short introduction on arrays in C#.